Just recently, BMW released the iDrive 4.3. It had a new interface to it, which I've recreated here. The only thing I didn't like about it was the way everything was animated, just like the previous one that I was working on. I like the design and everything, I just don't like the way it was animated. So I changed the animation on my version. As you can see, it's not 100% complete, but when I click on CD Multimedia here, slides across and wipes out the letters from the previous slide. And I'll go ahead and select hard drive and go into my artist. And right now it doesn't do anything. You can select whichever you want, it won't do anything. And I haven't got it to remove duplicates yet. I just took a small amount of my music library and put it in here for testing. You see I have 3 songs from 30 Seconds to Mars, and it shows 30 Seconds to Mars 3 times, which I'll have to fix later. But for now, I'm just trying to get it done because I'm tired of having no music in my car. You can see nothing else works, it's all disabled. But I want to show you how flexible the menu system is by adding some settings, which right now don't do anything. So what I'm going to do is, this is the menu file here, and I'll bring it over into my editor. Yeah, I'll copy and replace it, and open up my editor. Now, first I need to open up the file. And then it's going to ask me, do I want to continue opening it? Sure do. Let's get this out of the way. And now I can tell it to read the index 0. Now you got to think of this as like a chart. You're going to have your column, and then you're going to have your indexes, which are your now I'm drawing a blank. Your rows. So at column 0, you can see this is the menu. I got my CD player and radio settings, all that. Now if you look at all these, they have zeros when they go to, except CD player, which goes to 2. And if we read 2, you can see these are disabled except this one, which goes to 4. So we'll read 4, which is all these except artists. All these are disabled except artists, which goes to A, and that just tells the program to load the music list from the folder. So we will go ahead and write a new one. We're going to read 6, and there's nothing in 6. So we will write to column 6, index 0. And do I want to write to this label? Yes, I do. And I'll make a label called music. This will be the settings for music, and I'm going to put 0, go ahead and disable it. And then we'll write a new one to column 6. And I'll write the index 1 since I will use index 0. Go on continue, yes. Label, we'll make this engine management. And I'll go ahead and disable it. Engine management, go to 0. Alright, we'll write another one. Go to column 6. Index 2. Do I want to continue? Yes. And label, we'll call this one navigation. Navi settings, how about that? Just kind of make some stuff up here so show you how flexible the menu system is. Now I got a significant amount of things there. The issue here now is if I read the main menu, you can see it's still going to 0. I need to make it go to 6. I need to make it go to column 6, so I'll just go to right again. This time we'll write the column 0. Which index? I want to write the index number 7. That's settings. Continue, yes. Label. I'm not going to change the label. I'm still going to leave it as settings. And now I'm going to make it go to number 6. Alright. So now it should be going to number 6. I'll go ahead and save it. Do I want to continue? Yes. Alright, and quit. We'll go ahead and copy this one over. to the iDrive software. And yeah, I want to replace it. Let's open iDrive back up. Alright, now you can see that settings isn't disabled anymore. And if we go into settings, we have all the things we made. Music, engine management, Navi settings. But of course they don't do anything. But nothing has changed with the CD player. I can still go into my hard drive, artist, and yeah, pretty much everything's still there. And of course still doesn't do anything. I've been thinking of getting rid of the CD player because they're obsolete, for cars at least. Why have a CD that holds 12 songs when I can have a hard drive that holds infinite? Just keep upgrading the hard drive, I can hold as many as I want. You can see here's all the music that I've been loading into it. That's pretty much it for now.